Right, so I've had a bit of a clean up and we're on to the green chilli. So this is going to add a bit of fire to the side dishes. So what do we need? So we need a handful of mint leaves. So here we go. There's about a couple of good branches of mint, and then an equal amount of coriander, really, which I feel is about that. And what we're going to do is we're going to tip basically everything into the old mixer food processor. So let's just give these a bit of a pull, get all these in. This is really, really nice. It's really fresh, but it's got a bit of bite to it. Now, over the next couple of days, so these are going to be the appetizers, and then tomorrow I'm looking at doing a nice traditional British chicken tikka masala, which is again yogurt based, nice grilled chicken, and some nice fresh ingredients in there again. And then I'm also going to do a second dish, which is a bit of a different dish actually. It's a Kashmiri chicken dish, and it has apples in it. So you got that nice yogurt base and the chilli and the heat there, and it's got a bit of sweetness in there with the apples. So, and that's one of my favourites. The chicken tikka masala is Mrs F's favourite, and mine is the Kashmiri curry. So that's a nice one. They're both chicken dishes. Sorry for you vegetarians. This obviously is all vegetarian. So this coriander, I'm lucky. This right at the end of, I put some coriander in late because I thought I'd be doing these dishes, and I'm just at the end of the coriander. I've just literally earlier on today filmed a video on saving the coriander seeds, because obviously we need them in our Indian cooking, and that's a quite easy operation, so you should be able to check that out in the link above. Right, so that's that. Right, we want a chilli. Where's my knife? There it is. Right, let me chop this chilli up and then I'll get back to you. Right, so I've chopped the chilli, de-seeded it. I don't want it that hot. Again, if you like it really hot, keep the seeds in, or even put 2 chillies in. It's entirely up to you. And we want a couple of teaspoons of lime juice. So really that's about half a lime squeeze. And you've got to add that in there. It's got a bit of freshness. That adds that freshness in there. Some salt. I think that is about it. Salt, lemon. Oh, touch of sugar again. You always got to add a bit of sugar in to counteract the lime, etc. Nearly forgot the onions then, didn't I? So, let me do the onions. I'll roughly chop these onions because they're obviously going to get chopped up. So it's one small onion, but I've got a couple of small ones here, so I'm going to bung them in. So I love India. I've only ever been to Delhi, Mumbai and Agra, which is where the Taj Mahal is. Beautiful place. I just love I love everything about India. I love the bonkersness of it all, the driving. When I first went there, I went there, not the first time, but when I first went to Delhi, I got there about 2:30 in the morning, and our agent over there, Rakesh, fantastic fella, had organised for me a trip up to the Taj Mahal from Delhi, which is a couple of hours drive. And he says, oh, I'm going to pick you up, I'm going to send my driver around, pick you up at 9 o'clock. Well, I didn't get in till like 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I have to get up. I'm jet lagged after however much flying from Canada to Delhi. Get in the car, sort of say hello to Sanjay, the driver, fantastic driver it turns out, but I didn't know this at the time. Into the madness of Delhi, and they're just beeping every time. It's just beeping, and I was trying to get my head down for an hour on the way to the Taj Mahal, but every time, and I didn't realise this at the time, that they had to beep they beep every time they overtake someone, and I'm in the back, just sprawled out, next minute, beep, 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 all the way to the Taj Mahal. Didn't get any sleep whatsoever, but it was still a fantastic trip. So, on to the matter at hand. So that's, oh, and one last thing, and I can't produce this, cumin. So I need 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin. That's about that. Give that a mix in. Right. We'll give this a turn around until it's a nice paste. Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. Right. Put this lot in here. Excuse the noise, my boy's got his mate round outside in the swimming pool. The last vestiges of fun before they go back to school. I'm thinking this might need a bit more lime juice. Let's have a little go. Oh, that's sharp. There we go. Number 2. On to the sweet and sour tomato relish now. So let's put this in the fridge. Cover it. Quick clean up. I'll be right back.